In this fast, ever-changing world, time is a precious thing. How can we balance both time and beauty? This wig collection will allow you to be your own stylist and to be different. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, so we're gonna jump right into the video. The hair was sent to me by UNice Hair. This is my first time opening the box, so I was seeing what was in there. So now I noticed they sent me a braided headband. Thank you for that. And they also sent me a black wig cap. And at this moment, I realized there was no eyelashes. Thank you, UNice, for not sending those eyelashes. We don't wear them. Now in the box, they do give you a hair care card on how to wash and take care of your hair. And we're gonna get into the star of the show. So like I said, they sent it in basic packaging. You got your hairnet to secure the hair, and then you also have the tissue paper inside the cap. So now this is a Bodywave texture in 16 inches. So you have your comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, and the comb in the middle. And this is a 13 by 6 frontal wig, so you get that good parting space. And then they also have your adjustable straps in the back. Here I was trying to attempt to show you that the hairline is pre-plucked, and I mean it's plucked beautiful. Now the knots on this wig, they are small, so I didn't really need to bleach the knots in my opinion. So I decided to go ahead and try this baby on. So now there is a lump in that back part of my hair, and that's only because I put my hair in a low bun. I didn't really take the time to properly lay my hair down, so I decided to use my Remington curling wand to try to go ahead and flatten that hump down some. I took my eyebrow razor to go ahead and attempt to cut some baby hairs onto this unit. Now I didn't put any glue down because it was 10 o'clock at night, so I was just trying to see what the wig was looking like because I was so anxious. Oh, one thing I was never good at is fixing my part, like getting that part straight, because I do prefer middle parts. So if you guys have any tips and tricks in how to get that middle part to be popping, go ahead and comment down below. I got the hair to lay down as flat as I could possibly get it. You know, I was being very lazy, so that's why it's not as flat as it should be. But I decided to go ahead and add a couple wand curls in the hair. Now the hair was taking the heat beautifully. Like those curls, if I actually held it a little bit longer, I'm sure they could have lasted me like a whole week. I didn't use any hairspray or anything to get the curls to hold. I haven't mentioned before, this is the Bet You series. I did get the hair from Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so I ordered it like on a Friday, and it literally came Saturday afternoon. The killing part is the unit was only $104 plus tax. So I went ahead and got my Got To Be Glue spray, and I sprayed it in between my hands and rubbed it along the top of my hair to go ahead and lay down any flyaways. I honestly will rate UNice 5 stars. This is beginner friendly. It was easy to go ahead and put on my head and not look crazy, and it was manageable. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the links in where you can go ahead and purchase this hair from Amazon in my description box. Thanks for watching. Until next time.